Today we are going to show you how to use the iPhone Reminder app to keep track of your to-do list and tasks. Step 1. Open the Reminders app. First thing first, open the Reminder apps on your iPhone. It should be pre-installed on your device. So, look for the icon that looks like a checkmate inside a circle and tap on it. Then, after you open the app, you can go to the step 2, which is create a new list. To create a new list, you can tap on Add List at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on Add List. Then you can give your list a name. For example, I'm going to give a paying bills. You also can select the color of your icon. For example, I will choose red and then I tap done when I'm finished it. We're going to the step number 3 is adding text or set a new reminder. Once you created your list, you can add text by tapping on your list here. And then you can tap on new reminder at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the plus and then you can type task name and any relevant detail. For example, I'm going to type paying electricity bills, and then paying water bills and paying gas bill. And then we are moving to the step number 4 is set reminder. To make sure you don't forget about your tasks, you can set reminder. Just tap on the task and then tap on this icon, which E letter here. Just tap on it. Then you can set reminder for this task by the date and the time. For example, I'm going to remind by the date of 20 April 2023 and the time, for example, 11 or 10, maybe 10 or 10 o'clock. And then you can also repeat it, for example, like daily, weekdays, weekend, or weekly based on your preference. And then location and the priority, for example, priority low, medium, or high. And also, when you're already done with your setting the reminder, you can tap done. And then we are moving to the last step, which is step 5, check off tasks. As you complete tasks, you can check them off by tapping on the circle next to the task name. I open this. For example, I'm back first. We can see scheduled and alt have 1, which is the list if paying bills, but when we tap on complete, there are not complete tasks yet. But if you already complete our tasks, we can check them off by tapping on the list, and then you can tapping on the circle before the task name here. After you tap on the circle, this will move the task to the complete section of the list. We can check on the complete section here. Then, the task that we already tapped on the circle, it will be on the complete section. That's it. With this step, you can start using the iPhone Reminder app to keep track of your to-do list and tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope video is helpful and don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you again on the next video. Bye!